In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make the Harmonious hot spring habitat. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. This process really is pretty simple to go ahead and knock out quickly. There is a few prerequisites though. You need 3 specific items. You're going to need a hot spring, a water spout, and a water basin. If you do not have any of those items yet, you need to get those items first. But essentially, once you have those items, just go to your crafting menu, build one, and then of course, just keep in mind the basin does require lumber and a vine rope. From here, just place that basin near a hot spring and then add the water spout right next to it. And as soon as you do that, you guys will be good to go. That's all you have to go ahead and do. The habitat will now be complete. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you guys do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.